Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Aulia Ramadan with name 2024-065. Here I will explain about report 1, object orientation programming, Java programming language. Uh, Table of content. Chapter 1, introduction, problem, formulation, resource objective, resource benefit. Chapter 2, theoretical foundation, definition of the Java programming language, definition and function of the OPP concept, common data types used in OPP, if-else, conditional logic, class and object in object-oriented. Chapter 3, discussion, creating the project name first, inserting public class, public set, static void, if-else, inserting output, entity and resource, executing the first student's name, executing the second student's name. Chapter 4, conclusion and reference. Chapter 1, problem formulation. What are the definition and main characteristics of the Java programming language as an object-oriented language? 2. What are the advantages and strengths of Java compared to other programming languages in supporting object-oriented programming, OOP? 3. How are the basic concepts of object-oriented programming, OOP, applied in the Java language, particularly in the formation of classes, objects, methods, and attributes? 4. How can the application of OOP principles simplify the development of efficient, structured, and easily maintained software? 1. Research objective. 1. To explain in detail the definition and characteristic of Java as a portable, secure, and multi-platform object-oriented programming language. 2. To introduce the main principles of OOP such as an encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction as the foundation for building modern applications. 3. To explain the roles of classes and objects in OOP, including how to declare and instantiate them, as well as the relationship between attributes, properties, and methods functions within a Java program. 4. To demonstrate how methods and attributes are used to define the behavior and state of an object in real-world context. 1.3 Resource benefits. 1. To understand the basic concept of object-oriented programming more systematically, strong the Java language to encourage curriculum development, focus on programming practices aligned with the needs of the technology industry. 3. To support the implementation of Java-based technologies in corporate systems such as enterprise applications, data management system, and web service. Chapter 2, theoretical foundation. To 1, definition of the Java programming language. Java is a programming language developed by James Gosling and his colleagues and Sun Microsystems. The language derives several commands and syntax from C++. Its development began in 1991 under the name Quark. In 1995, Java was released for public use. As an object-oriented programming (OOP) language, Java incorporates three key principles. One encapsulation, a method of wrapping data and procedures into a class so that it can be viewed as a single module. Two, inheritance, the most common way to acquire data and behaviors from one class to another, where the subclass inherits all attributes and methods of each superclass. 3. Polymorphism, the ability of an entity to take many forms. Method can share the same name but behave differently depending on the object type. Unlike C++, Java applies the concept of write once run anywhere. Java code once complete into byte code can be executed on multiple platforms. Another advantage of Java is its automatic garbage collection with fresh and unused memory automatically without requiring developers to explicitly issue comments for memory reallocation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.